nice dinner, nice weather, nice person. If every positive thing is nice, it stops meaning anything. Today we fix that. The word nice is not wrong, it is just vague.
When you use a more specific word, the other person actually feels what you mean.
10 replacements coming right up. Welcome to Real English Podcast. Today is a vocabulary upgrade episode. We are replacing the word nice with 10 more precise, more expressive, and more natural alternatives. Each word fits a different situation. By the end, you will know exactly which one to use.
And you will sound much more like a native speaker, because native speakers almost never say nice.
Word 1. Lovely. Lovely has warmth and a slightly feminine tone, perfect for people, events, and places.
What a lovely evening. She has a lovely smile. That was a lovely gift.
Word 2. Pleasant. Pleasant is neutral and polite. It means agreeable without being exciting.
It was a pleasant conversation. The hotel had a pleasant atmosphere. A pleasant surprise.
Word 3. Charming. Charming means attractive in a way that draws you in.
What a charming little town. He is absolutely charming. A charming gesture.
Word 4. Delightful. Delightful means something gave real pleasure, stronger than pleasant.
The children were absolutely delightful. That was a delightful meal. What a delightful surprise.
Word 5. Beautiful. Beautiful is usually about appearance but works for experiences too.
What a beautiful view. She has a beautiful voice. That was a beautiful gesture.
5 replacements for nice so far. Lovely, warm and personal. Pleasant, agreeable and calm. Charming, attractively appealing. Delightful, gave real pleasure. Beautiful, visually or emotionally striking. 5 more coming. Word 6. Enjoyable. Enjoyable simply means you enjoyed it, clean and direct.
That was a really enjoyable evening. The movie was enjoyable enough. An enjoyable walk.
Word 7. Cozy. Cozy is perfect for environments that feel warm and comfortable.
This cafe is so cozy. What a cozy little apartment. I love a cozy Sunday morning.
Word 8. Refreshing. Refreshing means pleasantly new or different, often about ideas or drinks.
That was a refreshing change. What a refreshing perspective. This lemonade is so refreshing.
Word 9. Welcoming. Welcoming is about how a place or person makes you feel included.
Everyone was so welcoming when I arrived. A very welcoming neighborhood. The office feels welcoming.
Word 10. Heartwarming. Heartwarming describes something that makes you feel emotionally good inside.
That story was heartwarming. What a heartwarming moment. The whole experience was heartwarming.
Match the situation to the best word.
Ready.
A small mountain village with stone streets and flower boxes on the windows.
Charming. Or lovely. Probably charming because of how it looks.
A video of a dog greeting its owner after 6 months apart.
Heartwarming. That is exactly heartwarming.
A cafe with soft lighting, big chairs, and quiet music.
Cozy. Perfect use of cozy.
A speaker who finally says something honest instead of corporate language.
Refreshing. A refreshing perspective.
10 words to replace nice, lovely, pleasant, charming, delightful, beautiful, enjoyable, cozy, refreshing, welcoming, heartwarming. Each one is more specific than nice, and that specificity is what makes language feel alive. The next time you want to say nice, pause for 1 second and ask yourself, which of these 10 words is actually more accurate?
That pause is where better English lives.
Which word from today will you use first? Leave your answer in the comments, in English.
Subscribe for more vocabulary upgrades. Every episode makes your English more natural.
Thanks for listening to Real English Podcast.